Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Yeah, but you're the star. You was on TV.
Officer, please help me. Officer, please help me. I don't want to be here.
Why? You got a good family.
Could you back over?
No, he can't. He can't carry you, bro. Go inside.
Please.
Go inside. Big man, you're gonna be alright.
Yeah, we straight, man.
Alright,
Officer,
buddy. Behave yourself, man.
officer, you don't believe in God? Do something. Arrest me.
Arrest you for what?
Just,
You ain't do nothing.
I did wrong.
What you did?
God, I killed people.
Who you killed, buddy?
I can't remember.
Oh, Jesus.
Officer,
Buddy.
whatever you could think of, right? I did that.
Hey, chick, sit, go inside your house, man. Go inside.
Please, you don't listen to me. You're supposed to uphold the law.
Yeah, but you home. You nothing now.
I kill people.
Who you kill?
I kill children.
Who children you kill?
I killed them.
No, man, you can't. You gotta be careful how you say these things. You know children dead lately.
So what I did?
I know.
What I could say?
You need to come off that.
Arrest me for?
You need to come off that bottle, man.
You have to back home and put me in the middle. Handcuff me. I should have gone.
Buddy, go
I
inside
don't
those
like
things.
my life. Because I try to
You gonna be with your family. See your family there looking at the window. They love you.
You're not supposed to arrest people if you're doing wrong.
What wrong
I
you
did
do?
wrong.
What wrong
I
you do?
stole so value.
You stole.
I stole dead oil. You know the one with the handle?
Yeah.
I stole 2 dead oils.
Where it is?
I sold them.
For how much?
They cost $13 each. I sold them for $5 each.
When you stole it?
A couple of weeks ago.
What else you do wrong?
And then I sold Lysol spray.
You stole license plate?
Yeah.
From where?
So value. Because they're easy to use.
Oh.
The security, they don't pay attention. Oh, shit.
God.
Buddy,
No,
Lena,
I can't, man.
you cannot.
I can't. I
Listen,
can't.
I'm trying to confess. I want to do my time in jail, please.
all right.
Could you back over? Come on.
All right, let's go. You lock up.
Here.
Viewers and subscribers, I find that one here kind of hard to believe. No, because right now, it's like me just say, yo, this coming like it's a prank or one of those videos of people do for entertain people, really. Because, you know, this video is out on social media where it says that a person is begging the police to arrest him, right? Like put him in jail. He's begging the police to do that to him, right? And viewers and subscribers, you know, it's like, I'm saying to myself, you know, like, you know, very rare me see people do something where them confess, you know what I mean? But in this form, in this way, seeing someone doing it like this, you know, honestly, I've never seen something like this with my own 2 eyes. You know, never seen anything like this with my own 2 eyes like that. Trust me, it's like I'm out of words, you know. Right now, I'm wondering if this person has some form of mental illness, or maybe there's some form of stress this person is trying to escape. Or overall, is it that this video is a prank or some form of video that is done for entertainment? But I'm looking at the video and the background looks kind of convincing. You can see lighter flash and you see where, you know, someone passed, where it would seem as if, you know, like it's really in a neighborhood that it's going on. Like, you know, this viewers and subscribers, fun and joke thing aside though, you know, sometimes I hear some persons come and try to confess and say certain things. You might be surprised to know say a true whosoever is trying to confess about what they must say really true, you know. You see what I'm saying? Sometimes you hear some of them come and them say them do this and them do that and they might try to confess it. You might be surprised to know a real thing. You see it? No, sir, but you know, that's why I'm bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can tell me what you think, you know. Because this video is out on social media where it says that a man is begging for the police to arrest him. You see it? And viewers and subscribers, the questions I have to ask right about now, is this a real reality video or not? Like if it's a real thing that's going on or not in the video. or is it just a prank or one of those entertainment video? You see what I'm saying to you? Is it that this man has a mental illness or something? Is it that he's trying to escape from some form of stress in life? You know, like, really and truly, I'm just thinking all over the place, and I'm just asking these questions right about now, like, what could have caused for this person to want the police to arrest him? You see what I'm saying to you? Well, right here, so some believe it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. Alright? Yeah, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?